Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremony is about to start. Dun, 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 dun. 1 hour later, where is my husband? I'm going to call him. Hello, I am with your future wife. She is okay. So you don't come because you took a plane and now you are in Argentina. Okay, bye. We have a little problem. He is not going to come. No! Mother! Nothing. We cannot find her anywhere. You think she can be there? We have to try. Let's enter the house.
What's happened to you? Stop crying.
My husband left me at the end.
You couldn't cry. It's fine. You look weak.
Look! There is an old lady. Let's ask her. Oh man, you see a woman dressed in white.
Why? That is a terrible color to wear. Women should never wear white.
But today is her wedding day.
And her husband left her at the altar and she couldn't stop crying.
What do you know that?
The same happened to me, but now I don't suffer anymore and I wear black and make a massive cake.
It's a witch! Oh. Yeah! I have an idea. Baru.